Hello, my name is Reardon Stanford of Hoyt & Stanford LLC. I'm a board-certified family law specialist and I've been practicing law for over 20 years. So how do you get a divorce? Let's first assume you don't have a covenant marriage. A covenant marriage has its own rules and I'll address those in a separate blog. Assuming you don't have a covenant marriage, in Louisiana you can obtain a divorce both on fault grounds and on no-fault grounds. No-fault divorces are the most common in Louisiana, and they're based on the parties living separate and apart for a specified period of time. If the parties have minor children born of the marriage, the time period is 365 days or 1 year. If the parties do not have minor children, then the time period is 180 days. While you can file for divorce after you've been separated for the required period of time, you don't have to wait. In fact, you can even file for divorce before you're even separated. Indeed, there may be important reasons to do so, particularly with regard to community property. As I mentioned, it also remains possible to obtain a divorce based on fault in Louisiana. Grounds for fault include adultery, a felony conviction, physical or sexual abuse of you or one of the children of the spouses, or after a protective order has been issued against the other spouse. Divorce obtained on the grounds of fault do not require the same time delays as a no-fault divorce. As I mentioned, it remains possible to obtain a divorce on the grounds of fault in Louisiana. You can obtain a divorce if your spouse has committed adultery, been convicted of a felony, committed physical or sexual abuse against you or a child of either of you, or if a protective order has been issued against him for such abuse. Fault divorces do not require the same time delays as no-fault divorces. Details and circumstances are, of course, important. Please contact me at Hoyt & Stanford. I'll be happy to go over your circumstances with you and we'll discuss and determine what your best course of action is. I look forward to hearing from you.